Apple may have just revealed the biggest clue yet that Siri, as we know it, is about to disappear completely, and the replacement could end up defining the entire future of iOS 27. The moment those WWDC 2026 invitations went live for June 8th at 10 a.m. Pacific, people immediately started zooming in on that glowing, colorful eclipse graphic sitting in the center of the invite. And honestly, it doesn't feel like random artwork at all. It looks way too intentional. Before we go deeper, I want to hear your take on this. Do you think Apple is finally ready to reinvent Siri for real, or is this another overhyped promise? Drop your thoughts down in the comments, because this could end up being one of Apple's most important software moments in years. According to multiple reports and insider leaks, that glowing animation appears to match the redesigned Siri experience Apple has reportedly been building directly into the dynamic island. Some people are calling it the Siri Glow, others are referring to it as the Siri Orb. But whatever name sticks, the idea behind it is massive. Apple seems to be preparing the biggest shift to its ecosystem in nearly a decade. For years, Siri has felt outdated compared to modern AI systems, and after countless delays and unfinished features, Apple now appears to be rebuilding the assistant from the ground up under an internal project reportedly known as Project Campos. The goal isn't just improving voice commands anymore. Apple wants Siri to evolve into a true AI assistant capable of competing with platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. We're talking about advanced web search, AI-generated images, document analysis, large file handling, and deeper conversational abilities built directly into the iPhone experience. What makes this even more interesting is the growing evidence suggesting Apple may be working closely with Google to power some of the heavier AI tasks behind the scenes. Reports claim Apple could be using a customized version of Gemini running on Google's cloud infrastructure for more demanding requests, mainly because handling billions of AI interactions daily requires an enormous amount of computing power. Apple's own hardware is incredibly powerful, but cloud-scale AI is a completely different challenge. If this partnership becomes deeply integrated into iOS 27, it could completely reshape how people think about Apple's ecosystem moving forward. And honestly, this raises a huge question. Is partnering with Google a brilliant strategic move by Tim Cook, or does it weaken Apple's identity as a company that prides itself on doing everything internally? Let me know what side you're on. Now, when it comes to how this new Siri may actually function day to day, the interface sounds dramatically different from anything Apple has done before. Instead of the old full-screen Siri animation taking over your phone, the assistant could appear as a sleek interactive element inside the dynamic island itself. Responses may slide down as transparent cards, and swiping on them could expand the interaction into a full conversational interface that reportedly resembles a messaging app thread. Apple is also rumored to be developing a dedicated Siri application for the very first time, allowing users to revisit past conversations, upload photos directly into chats, and type prompts naturally without needing to speak out loud in public. To be fair, these are standard features in most AI apps today. But for Apple users, having all of this deeply integrated into iOS would still feel like a major leap forward. One of the most fascinating changes rumored for iOS 27 is a complete redesign of system-wide search. Instead of the traditional Spotlight search experience, users may get a smarter AI-powered search bar built directly into the dynamic island. Even more surprising, leaks suggest Apple could allow users to choose third-party AI systems as their default assistant instead of Siri. Imagine long pressing the search interface and instantly switching between different chatbot services, depending on your preference. Reports indicate Apple is aggressively opening the door for outside AI platforms to integrate into core iPhone experiences like writing tools and image generation. That means if users prefer another AI system over Apple's own models, they may finally have the freedom to use it seamlessly across the operating system. Beyond the chatbot features, Apple is reportedly bringing many of the original Apple Intelligence capabilities that were introduced years ago but never fully delivered. Siri could soon gain true personal context awareness using on-device data while maintaining privacy, along with on-screen awareness and the ability to execute multiple connected tasks in a single request. For example, you might ask Siri to start navigation to a destination and automatically send your updated arrival time to a contact at the same time without needing separate commands. That level of fluid multitasking is something Apple has struggled to perfect for years. So if it finally works smoothly, it could dramatically improve the iPhone experience. There are also reports of a new extension system that would allow third-party AI services to connect directly into Siri through a secure marketplace integrated into the App Store. At the same time, Apple's Shortcuts app is rumored to be receiving a huge AI upgrade, where users simply describe what they want in natural language, and the system automatically builds complex automations for them in seconds. Underneath all of this, Apple is reportedly making major changes to its developer framework as well. The company is expected to introduce a brand new framework called Core AI, replacing the older Core ML system, and signaling a much bigger focus on generative AI moving forward. But there's a major engineering challenge attached to this strategy. Running advanced AI locally on a smartphone requires enormous computational power, and keeping devices cool while handling those workloads could become a serious issue. Reports surrounding Apple's future A18 Pro chip suggest thermal efficiency is becoming one of the company's biggest priorities, because if these AI features cause phones to overheat or destroy battery life, the entire experience could fall apart very quickly. And of course, none of this discussion about iOS 27 would be complete without mentioning the foldable iPhone rumors that continue gaining momentum. Multiple industry insiders have hinted that Apple is designing major interface changes specifically for a future foldable device featuring both a compact outer display and a much larger inner screen. Supply chain reports suggest flexible display production is already ramping up, meaning iOS May 27th need to support dynamic screen resizing and seamless transitions between displays right from launch. Apple is reportedly fine-tuning animations and multitasking behavior to make unfolding the device feel smooth and natural without frame drops or lag. Interestingly, this also explains why many leaks describe iOS 27 as a snow leopard-style update focused heavily on optimization, performance stability, and bug fixes instead of flashy visual redesigns. And honestly, after some recent iOS updates caused major complaints about battery drain and performance problems, a polished stability-focused release might be exactly what users want right now. But regardless of which rumors turn out to be true, one thing is certain. All eyes are now locked on WWDC 2026. The invitations are out, the speculation is exploding online, and Apple is about to reveal whether this next generation of Siri is truly revolutionary or just another ambitious promise that falls short. This feels like a defining moment not only for Tim Cook, but for the entire future of the iPhone ecosystem. So now I want to hear from you. Do you think that glowing WWDC graphic was an intentional teaser for the new Siri experience, or are people reading way too deeply into Apple's marketing design? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. Subscribe if you don't want to miss the massive WWDC coverage coming soon. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.